Hi everyone. Here I will tell you about myself and my village. My name is Nazan Jani, but you can call me Naza. I am 18 years old. I graduated from PGRI Pelita Jaya High School. Now I am studying at IAIN Ambon first semester, majoring in English now. I live in the Salak Hall. Why did I choose English? Because I want to learn a foreign language which is currently an international language, and I also see many job opportunities in this department. Talking about describing myself, first in terms of character. I am an emotional and unpleasant person. I often get emotional with other people, but because of the unpleasant nature that exists, I can scold that person sometimes. This nature makes me annoyed, and no matter how many and good my friends are, I prefer to keep to myself what I am feeling without wanting to tell them. However, it's not because I don't trust friends, but because I've always been used to whatever I feel. I always keep it bottled up without wanting to look for a place to tell. I prefer to express my feelings in a book. The second is about likes and my hobbies. My hobby is listening to music. I like pop music, and from music I can also learn English. My idol singer is Justin Bieber and the Chainsmokers. I don't really like this related to sports, but there are several sports that I like, namely jogging, cycling, and playing badminton. I also really like novels. I like reading novels in my free time. I like reading novels of any genre but with horror. I don't like shows that smell like horror. But there are several genres that I really like, namely the possessive, Islamic romantic, and obsession genres. I also like reading books that contains word of wisdom, whether it's about love, dreams, or words of encouragement. I live on an island that can be said to be small but dense, called Osi Island, and an island located in the middle of a wide ocean which can be said to be remote because it can only be reached by motorbike. But even though it is remote island, many people know about my village because my village is a tourist spot that can be said to be famous among tourists. A tourist spot that is highly recommended for tourists who have never been to Osi Island. Forage tourists found abroad and also within the country, and many artists have even visited Osi Island. Osi Island is famous for its beautiful natural scenery, and what attracts tourists the most is that the sunset on Osi Island is very beautiful. Apart from the sunset, the atmosphere is also very cool and can refresh the mind from the busy schedule. Apart from the beautiful views, Osi Island also has the longest wooden bridge in Maluku, which is a link between the island to get to Osi Island. Because to get to Osi Island, you have to pass through several islands which have bridges to connect between the island. On Osi Island, there is also a resort which serves lots of food, the most famous of which is grilled fish with views of the ocean and mountains. You can fish on the bridge. It can be good tourist spot for families because children can swim and can also play in the sea when the water comes. Osi Island also has a lot of marine products that don't even exist in some places. Osi Island has also been included in the nomination for tourist attraction and is ranked to and after Aceh and can beat hundreds of tourist attraction in Indonesia. In my village, there is only an elementary school, so we Osi Island children go to school in another village. Osi Island has several marine biota that are often sought after by the people of Osi Island and local communities as a substitute for side dishes if there is no fish. Seawater on Osi Island also often reaches so that it can connect one island to another. In my village, we also have several traditions that are often carried out every year called Antartulan. Thank you.